wonder if people ever think I have a real Minnesota accent on here. Yeah, you got some malt extracts, you got some DME, you got some hops. Hey everybody, it's Brad again with Northern Brewer, and we're gonna take you behind the brew once again. And although this isn't a brand new kit, we've had it for a little while, but we would like to talk about the Oberon's wheat, since it is getting a little bit warmer outside, starting to get some leaves maybe, snow's melting. That means it's time for a delicious, refreshing pint of wheat ale. And before we go to the bottom of this pint, if you like these kind of videos and you like the content about beer, new kits, all of that, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, that way you won't miss a beat. So what is Oberon's wheat? Well, it is our homage to a very popular wheat seasonal beer brewed here in the Midwest. It's pretty basic really, but the flavors come out in such wonderful ways. If you are brewing the extract kit, you're gonna find 2 of the smaller jugs of wheat malt in there, along with a pounded DME. That'll give you the right gravity for the kit. Of course, it's gonna come with the same hops as the all grain version, which has roughly equal proportions base malt, so American 2-row, American white wheat, and a little bit of a caramel 20 degree. That's what gives it that awesome color. Going back to the extract, that same amount of caramel 20 will be your steeping grain before the malt extract goes in, and you proceed along with the process. One tip, if you're brewing this all grain, please use rice hulls or you're gonna have a bad time with your mash. Then we've got Herbsbrucker for bittering, a few additions of Czech Sats in the middle for flavor, and then it's finished off with Centennial to give you that nice little citrus punch at the end. Fermented out with a clean American ale yeast, and what you get is a nice orange hue, slightly hazy, and if you can see it, it's holding a really darn good head. Taste is like nice fresh bread, sort of crusty, not dark crust, just fresh bread, and you get a little bit of citrus from that end addition of Centennial. It's very soft on the palate with all the wheat involved. It's a really smooth drinker. Comes out, original gravity on this one is 1.054, so you're looking at about a 5.3% beer. It drinks more like a 7% beer with just the body. It's really nice and creamy, good mouthfeel, great finish, and it's just refreshing. You may be able to find the Pro version only during a certain window of the few months earlier in the year, but the best thing is the Oberon's wheat is available year-round on northernbrewer.com in both extract and all grain versions.